just how much people are loving Taco Bell's all-new breakfast, we asked some very special people.
My name is Ronald McDonald.
You're who? I am Ronald McDonald.
I'm Ronald McDonald Jr., and this is Ronald McDonald III.
My name is Ronald McDonald.
What do you think?
That's really good. I was surprised how good it is.
I love the new AM Crunch Wrap.
I'm Ronald McDonald.
Ronald
McDonald.
I'm Ronald McDonald, and I love Taco Bell's new breakfast.
A delicious new breakfast everyone can love, even Ronald McDonald.
Back in the book segment tonight, politics and Howard Stern. If you listen to him on Sirius Radio, you know his crew does man-on-the-street interviews. Recently, Stern sent his guys to talk to black Americans only about the upcoming presidential vote, and they were armed with loaded questions.
Do you think Obama made the right choice by choosing Paul Ryan as his vice president?
Yes.
Do you think he picked Paul Ryan because he's African American or because he's qualified?
It could be a little bit of both.
Does it bother you that Obama is a Mormon?
No, but that basically sways his votes a lot.
What percentage of the vote do you think McCain will get this time against Obama?
40.
40%?
Yeah.
So it's going to be a close race.
Yeah, I think so.
All right, joining us now.
I'm hungry, Mother. I'm hungry. Now, Rolly, you've just had your dinner. But I am just the same. I'm so hungry I could eat a whole elephant.
I think I made my point eloquently.